Some motorcycles fade into history, remembered only in dusty garages and faded photographs. Others evolve, adapting to new eras while clinging to their soul. And then there are icons that refuse to die. They rise again, sharper, stronger, demanding to be ridden, not just admired. The 2026 Honda CB77 Superhawk is that resurrection, a legend from the 1960s, reborn for a world that craves authenticity amid the noise of electric whispers and hyper-connected gadgets. This isn't a mere nostalgia trip. This is Honda taking the bones of the original CB77, the bike that defined reliability, speed, and style, and infusing it with modern fire. It's for riders who want the thrill of yesterday with the precision of tomorrow, for those who hear the call of open roads and twisting canyons, where every rev tells a story. Picture it, you spot the CB77 parked under a streetlight, its silhouette cutting through the dusk like a shadow from a classic film. The design pays homage to the original's café-racer roots, sleek, minimalist, with a hunch-shouldered stance that screams purpose. The round headlight gleams like a cyclops eye, framed by brushed aluminum accents and a teardrop fuel tank that's equal parts art and armor. Chrome pipes snake along the side, polished to a mirror finish, while the blacked-out frame and wheels add a stealthy edge. No bulky fairings here, it's naked aggression, with exposed engine fins nodding to the air-cooled heritage, even as liquid cooling hides beneath. The colors? Timeless options, deep British racing green, fiery candy apple red, or a matte black that absorbs light like a black hole. Details pop everywhere, leather-wrapped grips, diamond-stitched seat, and retro gauges that blend analog needles with a subtle digital display. It's not trying to be flashy, it's effortless cool, the kind that turns heads at coffee shops and gas stations alike. This bike doesn't shout, it whispers power, daring you to swing a leg over. But looks are just the invitation. The heart of the CB77 beats, with a thoroughly modern 773 CCS parallel twin engine. Honda's nod to the original 305 CCS mill, but supersized and supercharged with tech, liquid-cooled for efficiency, yet tuned to deliver that classic thumper vibe. Variable valve timing ensures seamless power delivery, 105 horsepower on tap, peaking at a rev-happy 9,000 revolutions per minute, with 75 lb-ft of torque that kicks in low and builds like a gathering storm. No turbo lag or electric hum. This is internal combustion poetry, raw and real. Thumb the starter, keyless, of course, and the exhaust barks to life with a throaty rumble. Not a scream, but a growl. Deep, resonant, like a lion stretching after a nap. The sound waves through your chest, vibrating the bars in your hands. It's compliant with modern emissions, thanks to clever catalytic converters, but Honda's engineers preserved the soul, that signature parallel twin pulse, amplified just enough to make passers-by pause. Now, twist the throttle, ride-by-wire makes it intuitive, smooth as silk, with no jerkiness. In city mode, it's tame. Effortless low-speed maneuvering through traffic jams, where the upright ergonomics keep you alert, but comfortable. Switch to sport, and the beast awakens. Acceleration pins you back, 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, surging forward with linear force that builds confidence, not fear. Overtaking on highways? A mere flick of the wrist, and cars vanish in the mirrors. Top speed? North of 130 miles per hour, but it's the mid-range punch that addicts you, rolling on in third gear, feeling the torque wave propel you through corners like a slingshot. Yet, power without control is chaos. Honda equips the CB77 with a lightweight steel trellis frame, rigid yet forgiving, that channels the energy precisely, fully adjustable upside-down forks up front, and a monoshock rear soak up imperfections. Potholes become minor ripples. Expansion joints mere whispers. The wheelbase is Goldilocks perfect, long enough for stability at speed, short enough for agile flickability and twisties. Lean into a curve, and it holds the line like it's on rails, thanks to sticky radial tires and optional cornering abs. Braking? Dual radial mount calipers on wave discs up front, with a single rear, progressive, powerful, and modulated by electronics that prevent lockup without dulling the feel. Traction control, quick shifter, and even a slipper clutch make aggressive riding accessible, not intimidating. For the purists, you can dial back the aids or turn them off entirely. Ride it raw, like the 60s original, but with the safety net if needed. Comfort surprises in a bike this spirited. The seat is sculpted for one or two, with enough padding to handle a full day's ride without numbness. Handlebars clip-ons but not extreme. Your wrists stay neutral, back slightly forward for that engaged posture. Foot pegs are rear set for sportiness, yet adjustable for taller riders. Wind blast is managed by a subtle fly screen, and heated grips come standard for those crisp morning blasts. Fuel efficiency? Around 50 mpg, thanks to efficient mapping, letting the 4-gallon tank stretch to 200 miles between fills. It's practical enough for daily commutes, lightweight at 420 pounds wet, with a low 31-inch seat height that flat-foots most riders. Maintenance? Honda's legendary reliability shines through. Self-adjusting valves, a chain drive that's low fuss with auto tensioners, and app-connected diagnostics via Bluetooth. Pair it with your phone for navigation overlays on the TFT dash, trip tracking, or even theft alerts. It's tech-forward without overwhelming. No gimmicks, just enhancements that respect the rider. But specs are sterile. The true magic of the 2026 CB77 is the emotion it stirs. Swing a leg over, and you're connected to decades of history. The Superhawk that conquered races, crossed continents, and inspired generations. Every ride revives that spirit. The wind rushing past, the engine's rhythmic throb syncing with your heartbeat, blast through a tunnel, and the exhaust echoes like applause. Carve a mountain road at dawn, and worries melt away in the flow state. It's therapy on two wheels, raw, unfiltered joy that modern life often forgets. In a sea of adventure tours and electric commuters, the CB77 stands apart. It doesn't chase trends, it sets them. Retro without being relic, powerful without being punishing. For weekend warriors, café racers, or daily rebels, it's a reminder. Motorcycling isn't about getting there, it's about the ride. The feel of leather under your palms, the scent of hot oil and exhaust, the blur of scenery as you chase the horizon. This isn't just a bike, it's a legacy reborn. A statement that classics evolve, but passion endures. The 2026 Honda CB77 Superhawk isn't for everyone. It's for those who feel the pull of the road in their veins, who want more than transportation, crave connection, exhilaration, freedom. If that's you, don't just read about it. Ride it, feel it, own the legend.